Hi everyone, let's take an in-depth look at artist drawing pencils. We'll learn all about the different numbers and letters, what they mean, and the best ways to use the different types of pencils. Artist pencils come with letter and number designations on them. This is an H pencil. The H means hardness. This H pencil will stay sharp and make nice soft lines. It doesn't need sharpening that often. H pencils are really great for making initial sketches, under drawings, under paintings, or other details. When you see F on a pencil, like this one, it means fine. Like the H pencil, it's hard and it's designed for fine detail work. It keeps a nice fine point for a long time. This is a B pencil. It's actually an HB pencil, but when you see B on a pencil, that means blackness. So an HB pencil like this one means it is hard and black. And you can see more value in this pencil as well. Actually, a number 2 school pencil, these are usually HB pencils and they can absolutely be used for drawing. You don't have to have the artist pencils necessarily to make nice drawings. This B pencil is giving me even a little bit more value. It's a little bit softer. The higher the number next to the B, the softer and darker the pencil will be. You can also build up layers to create value. You can keep going over and over an area until you get it as dark as you like. And I also wanted to point out that the graphite is a little bit shiny when you lay it down on the paper. You can't really see it in this video. But if that shininess bothers you, you can actually buy specially formulated pencils that have carbon added into them so that you don't get that shininess. You can also combine the hard and soft pencils in one drawing for a little bit of variety, so you can get the nice fine detailed lines of an H or an F pencil with the darker lines of the B pencils. And lastly, the 9B is the darkest of them all. So I'm going to do a couple of quick little sketches so you can actually see what these pencils look like in a sketch. This is the H pencil, so it is light and you're getting a lot of detail with the fine lines. And yet the shading remains really light. I have that nice pointy tip. Now I'm moving to the 3B pencil. So it's a blacker pencil, darker. The lines are not quite as detailed, but they have more value to them, more darkness right away. And I'm able to do a little bit more of the shading as well. I would also like to point out too that you don't necessarily need all of these pencils. They sell smaller starter sets that usually contain maybe an HB, 2B, 4B, and a 6B pencil, or some combination of different pencils, just to give you a little bit of variety to begin with. Lastly, this is the 9B. So the lines are darker, but I'm losing a little bit of that detail. But I'm able to get nice soft shading. The best way to figure out what kind of drawing pencils that you like is to just buy a few different ones and try them out and see what you like and figure out how to use them yourself. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.